Hi, my name is Mark S. and I am 42 years old. I am going to share today about the importance of our mind. So, Earl Nightingale once said that our mind is comparable to a very fertile soil. So, whatever we plant on this mind, it will grow. The mind doesn't care whatever we plant. If we plant oranges, bananas, we will expecting oranges and bananas. So if we plant positivity or anything that has a good outcome, we will harvest good outcome. If we plant some anxiety, stress, worries, that's what we harvest as well. So our mind is the most undiscovered thing in the world. We've been discovering the ocean. We've been discovering other planets. We've been discovering the moon, but we forgot to discover our own mind. Our own mind is something like acres of diamond. There's too much gold if we are able to dig on it and discover how powerful it is. So every creations that we have, from cell phones, airplanes, all the technologies that we have, uh, anything that make our life faster, easier, it's invented through a human mind. So we are able to go to the moon, we are able to fly for the airplane just because of the human mind, and we are gifted of this mind, and there is no exemption. This mind, if we are able to give time, um, give space, we can really benefit on it, harvest what we plant. So um, there's a saying that when the seed is not being planted on the soil, this seed will never grow. This seed will remain seed until over time there is no way that this seed will grow. It will take years, and the seed will die. The seed is just like an idea. So, and if we have an idea, if we just let that idea, don't plant it, let that idea be there, let that seed don't plant. I mean, it's just like a seed that we don't plant, this idea will die. And planting that in our mind is when we put anything in our mind, it will grow, really grow, because our mind is very fertile. So we need to guard our mind as well, because the mind doesn't really know what is good and bad. Our subconscious mind will just accept whatever we feed on it. So it's just like a manufacturing. It's a big manufacturing. There's a lot, billions of workers in our mind, cells, that whatever we input to this mind, the mind doesn't care whether it is good or bad. It is good for us, it is bad for us, good for our health, good for our future, bad for our future. It doesn't care. It just accept. And since this is very fertile, whatever we plant there, it will really blossom, it will really grow. So guarding our mind is one of the important thing that we could do, that we could discover, because our mind is like an acre of diamond. So if we are not curious, if we'll just too busy with the noise in the society, we'll be going in this cycle of life. We will be going to work, we will going home, watch TV, and it's a cycle, catching up or whatever you do. It could be we are especially we are just on that small circle of this comfort zone. So we are unable to appreciate what really the power of our mind. But when we give silence, when we give space, when we reflect to our inner self, then we could appreciate that we have our own mind that is very powerful. This mind can give us peace. This mind can make us troubled. This mind can give us abundance. This mind can give us poverty. So whatever we plant on this mind, it will grow. And the seed is just like whatever the ideas, thoughts that we entertain in our mind. That's the seed is like a thoughts. Any thoughts that we entertain, it will be planted in the mind. So the mind, when if we have this power of the mind, we can really survive whatever obstacles throws to us if we just dig deeper, if we just put positivity on this mind. So in order for this mind to function, positivity is we will be planting positivity. We will be planting good things. We will be planting motivations. We will be planting discipline until the minds become auto suggest. It will be absorbed in our subconscious mind. This world today is very fast moving. It's very I think most of the human being is stressed of what happening, war, everything, inflation, everything everything is going up. We're catching up. Everything we are in, whatever we do work, we will be trying to catch up some deadlines. So we forgot to live anymore. We are just like surviving, and we forgot that our mind is our tool. This mind is just like our physical body. If we do some exercise, walking to train our body, our mind as well needs some exercising. So it depends what we exercise. If we keep listening motivations or listening good things, or if we keep entertaining worries and anxiety, that's the one that will what will grow, because mine is just very fertile. It's just like a soil. So I remember I plant 10 seeds of lettuce. So when this lettuce was just a seed, it's just a seed. If you put that in a plastic, if you don't plant that, it will not become a lettuce. It will just a seed forever until probably it will decompose. But when you put that in the soil and you water that, the nature will just let it that seed grow and become a very healthy lettuce. So that's something. Our mind is like this very fertile soil. Whatever we plant in there, it will grow. It could be a beautiful flower, or it could be unwanted unwanted wild bushes. So when I plant this lettuce, it just, if you water it in few weeks, it will grow. So it's just like a same parable with our mind, that if we have something that we put in our mind, we plant in our mind, it will grow. And if we keep watering it, that means we keep entertaining it, we keep giving attention, water it, this plant will grow to a healthy plants and multiply and multiply. So this is the power of our mind. It could improve us, it could give us peace, or it could destroy us. So it depends whatever we entertain, whatever will give us major attention, because whatever we give us attention, it will expand, and the mind is so powerful. So we will guard the mind. See you next time. Bye-bye.